Hello and welcome to BizPoints. These key takeaways are from Amazon's second quarter 2024 financial results teleconference, featuring key speakers Andy Jassy, CEO, and Brian Olsavsky, CFO. The key takeaways related to future actions and goals from Amazon's second quarter 2024 financial results teleconference are: 1. AWS growth and AI investment. Andrew Jassy stated, "We're continuing to see three macro trends drive AWS growth. First, companies have completed the significant majority of their cost optimization efforts and are focused again on new efforts. Second, companies are spending their energy again on modernizing their infrastructure and moving from on-premises infrastructure to the cloud. Third, builders and companies of all sizes are excited about leveraging AI." End quote. This indicates Amazon's focus on capitalizing on the growing demand for cloud services and AI solutions. The company aims to leverage these trends to drive AWS growth, with a particular emphasis on helping customers modernize their infrastructure and adopt AI technologies. Andrew Jassy also mentioned, "Our AI business continues to grow dramatically with a multi-billion-dollar revenue run rate despite it being such early days. But we can see in our results and conversations with customers that our unique approach and offerings are resonating with customers." End quote. This highlights Amazon's commitment to expanding its AI offerings and suggests that the company plans to invest heavily in this area to maintain its competitive edge. 2. Custom silicon development. Andrew Jassy stated, "We built custom silicon in the generalized CPU space with Graviton, which we're on our fourth model right now. And we saw the same trend happening about 5 years ago in the accelerator space in the GPU space, where the products are good. But there was really primarily one provider and supply was more scarce than what people wanted. And our customers really want improved price performance all the time. And so that's why we went about building Trainium, which is our training chip, and Inferentia, which is our inference chip, which were on second versions of both of those." End quote. This indicates Amazon's continued investment in developing custom silicon to improve performance and cost efficiency for its cloud services. The company aims to differentiate itself from competitors by offering better price-performance ratios through its custom chips. 3. Cost optimization and margin improvement. Andrew Jassy mentioned, "I continue, and the team continues to believe that we have the opportunity to expand the margin in our store's business. And as I've said on a number of the calls that we've done, it's not going to happen in one quarter. It's not going to happen in one fell swoop. It's going to take work over a long period of time." End quote. This suggests that Amazon is committed to long-term margin improvement in its retail business through various cost optimization initiatives. The company plans to continue refining its operations to enhance profitability while maintaining competitive pricing and customer satisfaction. 4. Regionalization and network optimization. Andrew Jassy stated, "One of the great things about regionalization was it not only took our cost to serve down, but it meaningfully changed the speed with which we're able to get items to customers. And so we have a number of those other opportunities. Another example of that is regionalizing our inbound network, which is also going to lower our cost to serve and get items more close to end users and diminish the amount of time it takes to get them to customers." End quote. This indicates Amazon's ongoing efforts to optimize its fulfillment network through regionalization. The company aims to reduce costs while improving delivery speeds, which could lead to enhanced customer satisfaction and potentially increased market share. 5. Expansion of selection and low ASP items. Andrew Jassy mentioned, "As we're able to take cost to serve down, it means that we're able to afford to have more selection that we're able to offer to customers. And there are a lot of lower ASP items there, average selling price items, that we don't stock because they're not economic to stock with our current cost to serve. But as we work hard to make progress like we are on lowering our cost to serve, that allows us to add more selection." End quote. This suggests that Amazon plans to expand its product selection, particularly in lower-priced items, as it improves its cost structure. End quote. This strategy could help the company capture more market share in everyday essentials and compete more effectively with discount retailers. 6. Project Kuiper development. Andrew Jassy stated, and for Project Kuiper, our low Earth orbit satellite constellation, we're accelerating satellite manufacturing in our facility in Kirkland, Washington. We've announced a distribution agreement with Vrio, who distributes DirecTV Latin America and Sky Brazil, to offer Project Kuiper satellite broadband network to residential customers across 7 countries in South America. And we continue to field significant demand for the service from enterprise and government entities. We expect to start shipping production satellites late this year and continue to believe this could be a very large business for us. End quote. This indicates Amazon's commitment to expanding into the satellite internet market through Project Kuiper. The company aims to launch its first production satellites by the end of the year and sees significant potential in this new business venture, particularly in underserved markets and for enterprise customers. 7. Advertising growth and Prime Video ads. Brian Olsavsky mentioned, advertising remains an important contributor to profitability in the North America and international segments, and we saw strong growth on an increasing larger revenue base this quarter. We continue to see opportunities that further expand our offering in areas that are driving growth today, like sponsored products, as well as newer areas like Prime Video ads. End quote. This suggests that Amazon plans to continue investing in and expanding its advertising business, with a particular focus on sponsored products and the recently introduced Prime Video ads. The company sees this as a significant growth opportunity and a key contributor to profitability. 8. International expansion and profitability. Dave Fildes stated, and then in the emerging countries, as we've said over the past several quarters, we launched about 10 countries over the last 7 years, really focused on, again, expanding that customer experience, building out the Prime member benefits while building scalable solutions for customers. End quote. This indicates Amazon's ongoing commitment to international expansion, particularly in emerging markets. The company aims to replicate its successful Prime membership model and build scalable solutions tailored to local markets, with a focus on achieving profitability in these regions over time. 9. Pharmacy business growth. Andrew Jassy mentioned, we expanded our RX Pass package and program to Medicare members, and that program allows customers and members to be Prime members to be able to get up to 60 common medications for just $5 a month. And we continue to launch same-day delivery of medications to cities. We have them in 8 cities, including Los Angeles and New York today, with plans to expand to more than a dozen cities by the end of the year. End quote. This highlights Amazon's plans to expand its pharmacy business, including the RX Pass program and same-day medication delivery. The company aims to capture a larger share of the healthcare market by offering convenient and cost-effective pharmacy services to Prime members. 10. Continued investment in AI and innovation. Andrew Jassy stated, we remain very bullish on the medium to long-term impact of AI in every business we know and can imagine. The progress may not be one straight line for companies. Generative AI especially is quite iterative, and companies have to build muscle around the best way to solve actual customer problems. But we see so much potential to change customer experiences. End quote. This indicates Amazon's commitment to long-term investment in AI technologies across its various business segments. The company plans to continue developing and implementing AI solutions to enhance customer experiences, improve operational efficiency, and create new business opportunities. In conclusion, Amazon's future actions and goals focus on leveraging AI and cloud technologies, optimizing operations, expanding into new markets, and enhancing customer experiences across its various business segments. The company's strategy emphasizes long-term growth and innovation, balanced with efforts to improve profitability and operational efficiency. As Amazon continues to invest in areas like custom silicon, Project Kuiper, and AI, it aims to maintain its position as a leader in e-commerce, cloud computing, and emerging technologies while adapting to changing market conditions and consumer preferences. If you found this clip useful, we would appreciate it if you could help by liking, sharing, and subscribing, as well as viewing our other clips on other companies. Thank you.